The following video has been rated MA for ratchivity and pure stupidity.
$2:30 and I'm stuck. Can't drive out. Can't leave. I guess I'll hunt.
As I begin my hunt in Westport, I see a Ratchet down. Her friend no longer cares for her. She runs away, and the Ratchet gives one final goodbye, as she knows that she is destitute in the streets. And then I see it.
No, wait, no, I want to watch this.
By God, the largest ass I have ever seen. The amount of girth that her shorts cannot even contain oozes from the sides. But I digress. As I observe the scene, I realize I sense a bit of tension in the air, and I turn my head to see. It appears the male Ratchets have gathered in the streets, pounding their chest, challenging one another, as if to claim whatever territory that they no longer own. And the one aspect that I have noticed while observing, they actually have their pants all the way up where they belong. Sit and think that the situation has been diffused. I was very much wrong. As the man begins to pound his face, this Ratchet, no longer conscious, no longer aware, and it was at this very moment, as the small Caucasian man has approached them to see if he's okay, I realize I'm a fool for this, and he was not about that life. The situation grows more tense as the Ratchet Queen begins to approach an unsuspecting Caucasian male who I believe called her some sort of bitch or hoe. She does not react well to that and challenges him to a battle. Her friends cannot hold her back. She is like a raging bull. Relentless is her rage. There's nothing that will stop her from her target. I can see the Caucasian male trying to talk his way out of it. As the other Ratchets begin to try to push him out of Westport, she is unleashed upon him, giving him the finger of death. Any black girl who gives you the finger of death, you need to run as fast as you can. There's nothing that will stop them. The wise decision for him to do was to leave. The Ratchets began to gather around him. It's as if they see a dead carcass and begin to fight for their prey. Like an intelligent male, he leaves. But he knows the risks that will be held upon him. It appears that the hunter has become the prey. Pray for me. The Ratchet thought mating dance. We are witnessing something special. She has found her prey. He appears to have good credit.
Luckiest guy ever.
Are you really?
I don't even know her name. I want to learn it.
It's okay. You don't
What's her name?
A secret I'm sure no one wants to know. See the ingenuity of this Ratchet. It appears that she has taken some aluminum foil and spray painted gold with designs on it, and decided to go out to the Union, to the annual Ratchet gathering. It's mating season, hence the color of her hair. The brightest one gets the biggest thug. Can someone please explain to me these bloody boots? I believe this is what they call a parking lot pimping. They say you sit at the gas station for no particular reason at all, at 2 in the morning, and you do what they call stunting. Then I see one car that stood out to me. This purple one. It appears that he has put in his favorite cereal all over his car. It's great. Yes, and here's the annual gathering of the Ratchet Council. This one I discovered appears to have gotten away from her slave masters, while this one appears to have fell out of the car and lost most of her clothing. Thank God she has survived. And now they both are out hunting, looking for the biggest G. I continue my hunt and I observe one who has decided to kill, let alone kill and eat her prey. I must move in for a closer look. I must be careful, or else I shall be eaten as well. I go unnoticed. She does not realize I am hunting her. I am going for a closer look. What is that I smell? It appears cheese seems to be oozing from the crevices of her veins. I must look closer. Yes, cheesy fries. I knew it. This, my friend, is the Ratchet Enforcer. If you see her, you must run. With a record-breaking 84 kills with her bare hands, and that was just in sex. Do not approach, I dare. Do not. And I tell you, if you are not about that life, she will end yours. You don't have sex with her. She has sex with you. I always think to myself, how are Ratchets even created? How are they born? How do they even become Ratchets? Do you leave the house and just say,
Fuck it, this is what I'm wearing.
I wonder this to myself. I mean, observe. My God, how did you come up with that? All red? I mean, it's even like that in the daytime. Bloody hell. As I go to a local eatery, I see Ratchivity in its purest form. Check the nails, the outfits, a bloody fanny pack. Oh, these two are a special brood, the purest of the pure. Gunfire. As soon as I begin my leave of Westport, I hear gunfire in the background, followed by police sirens. It appears that some Ratchets decided to take a gun and shoot in the air. Cops were ready on the scene. A sad scene it is. This is what the Ratchets fear. This is the only way that they know about their mistakes. When law enforcement takes them in, they will be later put in a cage and beaten.
When they shoot, you didn't see the front of the car got bullet holes and shit?
The car in the front riddled with bullet holes. The tire is blown out. And yet, surprisingly, no one died.
I'm so glad I parked where I parked.
This is what the Ratchets know. Violence and pain.
Get the finger out of his ass! Get the finger out of his ass!
As I begin to conclude my hunt, I observe, I watch, I judge. I think to myself often, am I doing the right thing? And the answer is yes. You see, if you do not teach the youth, if you do not show them the way, this will be the life that they will live. The Ratchets will take them. They will assimilate them into their tribes. And then after that, they will be my prey. They will be mine to hunt. You see, I am Leonidas, the Ratchet Hunter. And if you are out in these streets and you are being ratchet, know that I have my camera and my crew, and I will find you. I will expose you. I will film you. I will make fun of you. So be careful, Kansas City. Be careful, Westport, for the Ratchet Hunter is amongst you. I bid you adieu. Download the Ratchet Hunter soundtrack on SoundCloud with all the Ratchet tracks you can listen to.